Hi, I'm Todd Smith. Welcome to PCX Sports Performance Tip of the Week. Brianna's here to help me demonstrate some exercises. So she's going to roll out we use the exercise ball a lot to do a lot of our core training because it provides a dynamic surface that she needs to be able to stabilize her body on and then generate motion. So one of the things we'll start with is just a single leg hip extension. So she's tight through her core, trying to stay stable, able to start to move an extremity without falling off the ball. From there we can transition into like a tuck type thing, so where she'll lift one leg and tuck it in. So really the lower body is simulating a sprinting running position, but she's able to stabilize on the dynamic surface. From there, a lot of times we'll switch into some type of rotational type exercise. From there we'll go into a pike, which is pretty hard exercise. Hips are straight, a lot of lower core, a lot of abdominal work here. So that concludes this week's sports performance tip from PCX Sports. Hope you learned something, and we'll see you again in the future.